Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add images in Lightroom. If you are new to Lightroom and you don't know how to add images to your album, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now, go to Edits. If you click here, you'll be able to access your albums and also create new album. Simply click on Create New Album here to add new photos to your album. Click on Album. You can add the name to your album. Click on OK to save. Now, to access the album, simply click on the new album, and here you can see two options. Click on it to add photos from your gallery. I'm going to add the photos from my gallery, so I'll click on this option. Now you can choose any photos from your gallery. And once you're happy, click on Add. And our photos have been added to our new album. And just like that, we can add images in our album in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.